Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about an awesome math pattern called triangular numbers. These numbers can actually form triangle shapes. How cool is that? Let's start. First, let's see what are triangular numbers. In the image, you can see that they are numbers that can be arranged into perfect triangles. And you can also see the sequence 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, and so on. To get them, we have to keep adding counting numbers. Start with 1, then add the next counting number. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then add 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Then keep doing that until you get the next triangular number. Pretty easy, right? Now let's look at it visually. In the image, you can see that we start with one dot. Then add two more dots to form a triangle. Then add three more. Each time you can build a bigger triangle. And that's exactly why they're called triangular numbers. Seeing the pattern makes it a lot easier to understand it, right? If you want to find them quickly, there's a formula for that too. The nth triangular number is equal to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Just replace n with a number. For example, to find the fifth triangular number, replace n with 5. Then do the following. 5 into 5 plus 1, which is 6, divided by 2. So 5 into 6 divided by 2, which is 15. To find the seventh triangular number, just do this. Replace n with 7. Then do 7 into 8 divided by 2 to get 28. So easy, right? And believe it or not, triangular numbers appear in real life situations too. For example, as you can see in the image, staircase patterns, pyramid stacking, bowling pins, or handshakes. All of these are examples of triangular patterns. They are literally everywhere. Here's a real life example of triangular numbers in action. Handshakes. So imagine this. 5 people in a group and each person shakes hands with every other person exactly one time. So let's count. Person A shakes 4 hands. Person B shakes 3 new hands. Person C shakes 2 new hands. And person D shakes 1 new hand. So the total becomes 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 10 handshakes. You can also see it being visually represented through the image. That means 5 people create 10 total connections, which matches the fourth triangular number. Here's another amazing pattern in math. Did you know that two consecutive triangular numbers can combine perfectly to form a square number? See, in this example, you can see the third triangular number 6 and the fourth triangular number 10. When we add them together, we get 6 plus 10, which is 16. And 16 is a square number. It forms a perfect 4 by 4 square. This means that the third triangular number plus the fourth triangular number will give you the square of 4. Visually, you can see the two triangles fit together like puzzle pieces to create a square. And here's a truly special mathematical surprise. The number 36 has a rare identity. It is both a perfect square number and a perfect triangular number. As you can see in the image, as a square number, 36 can be arranged as a perfect 6 by 6 square. And as a triangular number, 36 also forms the eighth triangular number. In fact, the next number after 36, that is both triangle and square, is 1225, which is the 49th triangular number and the 35th square number. These very rare numbers are called square triangle numbers. Today, We saw how simple number patterns can create beautiful shapes, surprising formulas, and real life connections. From dot patterns to handshakes, square numbers, and even rare mathematical wonders, triangular numbers show us that math is full of creativity and discovery. Thank you for exploring triangular numbers with me.